Are you a CEO or executive looking to expand your operations into Canada? Maybe you're growing fast and need access to international talent. Or maybe you're eyeing Canada's strong tech economy, its diverse workforce, and its stable business environment. If so, this guide is for you. Hi, I'm Evelyn Ackah from Ackah Business Immigration Law, and today I'm sharing a step-by-step framework for executives building global teams in Canada, from immigration pathways to tax planning to cultural onboarding. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your business strategy in Canada. Before immigration planning begins, get clear on your corporate presence in Canada. Do you need a subsidiary, a branch office, a joint venture arrangement, or remote team presence? Each structure has a different tax, liability, and immigration implications. Work with your legal and tax advisors to select the right corporate structure for you in Canada. Our team can also help you coordinate Canadian incorporation and your cross-border legal needs. Step number 2, choose the right immigration pathway for key executives. To legally transfer staff into Canada or hire global transfers and global talent, you must consider intercompany transfer. Is this an option for you? This is perfect for moving senior executives, managers, or specialized knowledge workers who have worked with the parent company abroad for at least 1 year in the last 3 years. There's also CUSMA, the Canadian-US-Mexico Agreement, formerly NAFTA, work permits. If you are a US or Mexican company, your executives and professionals may qualify for facilitated entry under CUSMA. What about the Global Talent Stream, GTS? This is a way to fast-track work permits for high-demand, high-wage positions, which includes expedited processing and labor market benefits plan that gets you the skilled workers you need in Canada fast. Another option is the Startup Visa Program. This is for business owners and executives interested in launching new and innovative businesses in Canada. Requires support from a designated Canadian venture capital fund, an incubator, or an angel investor group, or the owner-operator LMIA or Entrepreneur Pathways. This is for executives who plan to own and operate the Canadian entity and can lead to permanent residence if managed strategically. We tailor immigration plans to your business goals, short-term mobility, or long-term relocation. Step 3, understand cross-border tax implications. This is so important. Immigration planning means nothing without tax alignment. Some essentials are Canadian corporate tax rates vary by province and structure, so you need to know where you want to operate in Canada. Executives moving to Canada may also become tax residents and must file their taxes, usually in both countries, for at least a couple years. And there may be dual tax obligations as well. You must work with a cross-border tax advisor to structure salaries, bonuses, and benefits efficiently. We don't provide tax advice, but we have excellent partners we can refer you to that have expertise in cross-border tax and accounting. Don't forget, permanent establishment rules can trigger taxation even without a physical presence. You have to be strategic from the start. Step 4, secure work permits and legal compliance. This is where Ackah Business Immigration Law comes in. We handle LMIA applications if required, employer compliance, audits, business visitor documentation, work permit filing and renewals, and PR pathways for executives and their families. We also help you build audit-proof immigration systems so you're protected from random inspections or future problems and audits that can occur within 6 years of bringing that foreign worker to Canada. Step 5 is onboard for success. Culture, inclusion, and retention. Bringing talent to Canada is only half the battle. Keeping them engaged is where leadership comes in. Set your team up for success with cultural onboarding programs, local HR policies that reflect Canadian labor laws. You can't use a US employment agreement in Canada. They're completely different. We need to Canadianize employment agreements, offer letters, employment manuals, and policies. Mentorship support for relocated executives and their families, highly recommended. Integration training on Canadian business norms and communication styles, and clarity on public healthcare, school systems, and spousal employment rights. Global teams need more than just a visa. They need to feel seen, valued, and included. Canada offers unmatched opportunities for businesses ready to go global, but the process requires precision from paperwork to people. At Ackah Law, we help visionary leaders like yourselves bring their teams to Canada strategically, legally, and with long-term success in mind. If you're ready to expand or just starting to explore opportunities to move and expand to Canada, book a consultation with our team. Let's build your global team the right way and create something truly extraordinary across borders.